Igan, mag-aalauna na ng madaling araw ngayon dito sa The Hague. Sa gitna nga ng panggigipit umano sa kanilang pamilya, nagpasalamat si Vice President Sara Duterte kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dahil sa umano'y sa pamamagitan niya ay nagkapatawaran sila ng kanyang ama na si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at nagkaroon din siya ng mas magandang relasyon sa kanyang kapatid na si Veronica.
This really is ironic, but I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives.
Sinabi yan ni Vice President Sara Duterte matapos niyang bisitahin kahapon ang ama sa Scheveningen Prison ng International Criminal Court dahil hindi raw sila maaaring makapag-usap ng tungkol sa kaso ng ama o anumang legal na hakbang na kanilang isasagawa. Nagkaroon daw sila ngayon ng ama ng mas maraming panahon para makapag-bonding.
We have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore.
Yeah.
Sad lang that it has to
Yeah.
happen inside
Yeah,
the
yeah.
ICC,
Pero
inside the
there is a
detention.
good side.
But yes, thank you.
Updating him with the situation with our families and
Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, sabay-sabay silang bumisita ng kapatid na si Veronica at ni Hanilet Avancenia, ang common law wife ng dating Pangulo.
I was updating him with the situation with our families and is happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, and that we are continuing to pray for him. And na yun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
I always remember him. I don't know, Kit, with you, but
Ayon pa kay Vice President Sara, nais daw talaga ng ama na makabalik sa Pilipinas. Pero ayon sa ICC, kung nais ng nakakulong na pansamantalang mapalaya sa isang bansa, dapat handa ang bansang iyon na sundin ang mga kondisyon ng ICC gaya ng walang risk of flight, risk of interference ng mga saksi sa ebidensya, at pangatlo, risk of continuing crimes.
wala naman po kaming hinihingi sa palace. The administration has to think about what their next steps are. So, they should not ask the family, they should not ask the Filipino people on what their next steps are with regard to the talk on the return of former President Duterte to the Philippines. Maybe when they've decided, if ever they will decide what their next steps are, if ever it is even discussed inside the halls of the palace, they can tell us what their plans are, what the government intends to do with the return of President Duterte.
Umaasa naman si Vice President Sara na mabubuo na ang defense team ng dating Pangulo. May hinihintay na lang daw siyang dokumento. Ayon naman kay Veronica, dito na raw siya sa The Hague magdiriwang ng kanyang kaarawan at plano naman daw ng mga magkakapatid na magsalitan sa pagbisita sa kanilang ama. Kaya plano raw ni Congressman Pulong at ni Mayor Baste na bumisita rin dito sa The Hague sa mga susunod na buwan.